This is a quick video on how to use the ultrasound machine at the neighborhood hospitals. What we're going to talk about is how to put patient information into the machine, how to then capture clips, and how to end the study. This is a little bit different at the neighborhood hospitals compared to some of the other hospitals in our network. First thing you'll notice is that you'll find the machine plugged in, but also that there is this Ethernet cord, which you see that's a little bit gray. And this needs to come out. I don't want you to pull the machine without taking out both the plug and the gray Ethernet cord. Then you need to put patient information into the machine. You'll see this is the keyboard. There's lots of buttons. It can be a little bit confusing. So let's simplify this a little bit. First, just focus here at the console, and on the upper left-hand corner, you'll see this patient button, and what you need to do is to press it. From here, you'll get to this screen, and you can see that the cursor is located at this patient ID, and what you need to do is to place the MRN, whatever that may be. Clearly, this is not a real MRN, but for simplicity's sake, this is what we'll use. And you just type in whatever it is. No zeros, just the complete MRN. And then you press the button Register, which you see on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, your next step is to press the exam button. And the reason why you do that is you need to exit this screen that you see here. So again, you do the MRN, you press Register, you press the exam button, and you're good to go. Now, what you need to do is to save clips, you have to press this button, which is P1. And whenever you see a patient and you do your study, you press P1. And you'll notice that you'll get those clips saved at the bottom of the screen. Now, what happens at the neighborhood hospitals is that the images are saved retrospectively. What I mean is you have the ultrasound probe, you're scanning, and then whenever you press that P1 button, the previous 4 seconds will be saved. Some centers where you press P1, you then save the next 4 seconds, which is prospective scanning. This is retrospective here, where you do your scan, and then when you press that P1, the previous 4 seconds will be saved. Once you complete your study, you press this patient button right here. It will ask you to end the study. You press yes, and you are done. You have completed your study. You then plug it back into the wall. You do not need to plug in that Ethernet cord. That's not something I want you as the physicians or APCs at the neighborhood hospitals to do. All I want you to do is end the study, plug it in so the machine doesn't die, and then you're done. So that's the workflow at the neighborhood hospitals. Hope this was helpful.